So this is the last part of the lesson of lesson 1, unit 2, lesson 1. This is the last video. Okay, so we're going to play a little game. Basically is answering the question, what does a salesperson do for a living, or a chef, or a mechanic, a carpenter, so on and so forth. Okay, so answer the question, what does a salesperson do for a living? Well, the answer is a salesperson sells clothes in a department store. Again, what does a chef do for a living? A chef cooks food in a restaurant. What does a mechanic do for a living? A mechanic fixes cars in a garage. What does a carpenter do for a living? A carpenter builds houses for a construction company. What does a reporter do for a living? A reporter writes stories for a newspaper. So a reporter writes stories for a newspaper. And what does a nurse do for a living? A nurse cares for patients in a hospital. Okay, so try to do yourself. Okay, so pause the video and do the activity, and we'll continue with the video. Okay, now this is an activity that we do in class, so we're not going to do it in the video. And the song, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the song, and you want to read with me. Okay, so that's something for you to practice. The song is "What a Wonderful World." I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Okay, so pause the video and then repeat. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. It's a beautiful song. So you can pause the video, or you can practice with me with the video as I go. But just try to practice. Listen and then repeat. Listen and repeat. That's the key. Okay? Alright, so this is lesson 1. We're done with this lesson. I'll see you next with Unit 2, Lesson 2. Bye-bye.